Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. Here's a complete guide on how to install Intel Graphics DCH driver for Windows 11. Here I'll be showing you two installation process for basic and advanced. At first, I will suggest you to install by following the basic installation method. If you got any interruption during installation process, then you can follow the advanced installation process. So let's take a closer look at the procedure. At first, open an internet browser and go to Intel official website. After that, click on Download Center under Support. Now click on Graphics. Now select your certain product from here. Select Download Type Drivers. Now select Operating System. Click on Intel Graphics Beta Windows 10 DCH drivers. This is the latest version for Windows 11. Now just download this zip and .exe file. After downloading, just simply double click on this setup.executable file to run the graphics driver installer. Accept the license terms and click Next. After that, click Start. Now keep patient until the installation process is completed. After successfully install the GPU driver, just restart once. That's it. After downloading, extract this .zip file. After extracting, navigate to the graphics folder. Now find $gd_dch.inf file under graphics folder. Once you found, just right click on it and go to Properties. Now copy the full path location. After that, go to Windows Device Manager by right clicking on Windows Start icon. Now click on your PC's default display driver, then Update driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. After that, let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Next, click on Have Disk button. Now paste here the full path location that you have copied. Next, select the manufacturer and model of your hardware device and click Next. Please keep patient until the installation process is completed. After successfully install the GPU driver, screen resolution will be automatically changed. Okay, as you can see the message, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Okay, now click on Close. Next click on Scan for hardware changes. Now close all tabs. Now go to Microsoft Store and search for Intel Graphics Command Center. Once you found, just install it. After that, just reboot once, that's it. So I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.